Imagine this for a moment. You're parked on the edge of a quiet lake. The sun is setting, the sky is painted with warm orange and soft purple shades, and the air outside is completely still. You slide open the door of your camper, step inside, and suddenly it doesn't feel like a vehicle anymore. It feels like you just walked into a private hotel suite. Soft lighting, warm colors, premium fabrics, a perfect bed, a calming kitchen space, everything designed to make you feel at home, even when you're miles away from civilization. This is the 2026 Hyundai Camper, a vehicle that doesn't just take you to new places. It becomes the place. A moving sanctuary, a mobile hotel on wheels. And today, we're going inside it. Hyundai has surprised the entire motorhome world by delivering something completely unexpected, a camper van that blends futuristic automotive engineering with boutique hotel-style comfort. It isn't just a conversion or a modified van. This is a purpose-built lifestyle machine created for people who want freedom, comfort, and a little bit of elegance no matter where they go. In this narration, we're going to explore everything: the exterior, the interior, the living spaces, the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, the tech, the driving experience, and why so many people are calling it the most impressive compact camper of 2026. From the outside, the 2026 Hyundai Camper carries the brand's modern design language. The front end features a clean LED signature light bar that stretches across the nose, giving it a sharp, futuristic look. The body lines are smooth and minimal, and the conversion is integrated with precision. No awkward box shapes, no budget add-ons. The powered side door glides open quietly with a soft electronic hum, and even this small feature sets the tone. You already feel like Hyundai designed this with comfort and calmness in mind. With tinted privacy windows, optional all-terrain wheels, and subtle exterior lighting, the camper gives off the vibe of a premium adventure vehicle rather than a traditional van. But the moment you step inside, everything changes. You enter a space that feels warm, modern, and beautifully balanced. Soft-touch materials, warm ambient lighting, clean lines, and a smart layout instantly remind you of a boutique hotel room, not a compact vehicle. At the front, the lounge area features two swivel-captained seats that rotate to create a comfortable social space. The dining table is lightweight with a matte finish, and the lighting above creates a cozy atmosphere perfect for working, eating, or simply relaxing. Morning coffee feels sunny and bright, while evening conversations feel calm and intimate. It's a small space, but Hyundai has made it visually open and emotionally welcoming. Move slightly back and you enter the kitchen, and this is where the mobile hotel idea really comes alive. A deep stainless steel sink sits under a clean glass lid. You get a 2-burner gas or induction option, depending on the configuration. The compressor fridge offers 70 to 90 liters of space with a proper freezer section. The drawers are soft closing and surprisingly solid, and the overhead cabinets feature warm LED accent lighting that creates a smooth, premium glow. The countertop has a matte stone-like finish that looks stylish and feels soft to the touch. Nothing rattles, nothing feels cheap, and nothing looks improvised. It's a proper kitchen, just miniaturized for the open road. And then comes one of the most impressive parts of the entire camper, the bathroom. Instead of giving you a tiny half-wet room or a folding wall system, Hyundai has built a fully enclosed, full-height bathroom. The shower is proper, with a modern rainfall-style shower head. The toilet is available in cassette or composting form, depending on the customer's choice. There's ventilation, smooth waterproof wall panels, and LED waterproof lighting that gives it a bright, clean look. The shelves are designed to hold toiletries securely while driving, and even the door feels solid and well-made. Standing inside the bathroom, you genuinely forget you're inside a van. It feels more like a small hotel bathroom than anything else. Now move toward the rear, and you reach the sleeping area. This is where comfort truly takes center stage. Depending on the layout you choose, you get either a full-width permanent double bed or a lounge area that converts into a bed at night. Both options feel premium. The mattress is high-density foam with breathable fabric that gives the bed a soft but supportive feel. Ambient lighting runs along the upper cabinets, creating a calming glow at night. There are reading lights, USB ports, 230V sockets, and plenty of storage space around the area. You can wake up with sunrise shining through your window, and it feels peaceful, private, and incredibly cozy. Of course, Hyundai didn't stop at comfort. The camper is packed with modern smart home style tech. You get a central touchscreen panel that controls the lighting, water levels, battery system, heating, and more. A high-capacity lithium battery setup keeps everything powered, while optional solar panels up to 300 watts allow off-grid living. You get USB-C charging points, a diesel heater, optional AC, and an inverter capable of powering 230V appliances even when you're deep in nature. The entire vehicle is insulated for both summer and winter, meaning you can comfortably travel in almost any season. And then there's the driving experience. Hyundai has always been known for smooth, comfortable rides, and the 2026 Camper is no exception. Powered by a 2.2-liter diesel or optional hybrid system, paired with an automatic transmission, the drive feels car-like, stable, quiet, and extremely refined compared to many other campers in its size category. Advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision avoidance make long-distance driving far more relaxing. Whether you're navigating a busy city or cruising along a mountain road, the Camper feels predictable and confident. So why are people calling it a mobile hotel? It's simple. Everything inside this camper is designed to feel premium. The lighting is warm and atmospheric. The materials feel soft and upscale. The bathroom feels like something from a hotel suite. The kitchen looks modern and clean. The furniture feels solid and high quality. Even the bed has that cozy, comfortable feeling you normally associate with boutique hotels. It's not just a vehicle you travel in, it's a place you want to stay in. And when you compare it to other compact campers in 2026, it stands out immediately. It feels more premium than budget campers. It looks more modern than many European conversions, and the design language inside is cleaner, calmer, and more welcoming. The bathroom alone puts it ahead of many competitors, and the overall comfort level is extremely high. Hyundai has clearly aimed this camper at a new generation of travelers, people who want simplicity, style, and comfort all in one package. Now I'd love to know your opinion. Which part of the Hyundai Camper impressed you the most? Was it the hotel-style bathroom, the soft ambient lighting, the premium kitchen, or the calming bedroom layout? Tell me in the comments. I always enjoy reading your thoughts. At the end of the day, the 2026 Hyundai Camper is more than just a new model. It represents a change in the way people want to travel. No more booking hotels. No more searching for accommodation. Just you, the road, and a tiny home that gives you everything you need: comfort, peace, freedom, and the ability to wake up somewhere beautiful every single morning. If you dream of traveling without limits, of exploring new places without leaving behind the comfort you love, this camper might be the perfect companion. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough and want more in-depth motorhome and camper reviews, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more amazing content your way. Until next time, travel safe, travel free, and enjoy the journey.